Boy, what a beautiful day, huh? Here we are at a park, and as you can tell in the background, there's some kids playing around. And it really hits home for me because I have a 9-year-old daughter, and I'm deeply concerned about what we're leaving for our kids and future generations. If we don't address human-caused climate change, our kids are going to be faced with dramatic impacts on their health and well-being, the quality of the air and the quality of the water, and their human health. It's all tied into what we're doing by polluting our environment with the burning of fossil fuels.